Tired of exposing your truck bed to dust, rain, and theft? This is the upgrade your pickup deserves. Meet the RealTruck LS3 Tonneau cover, engineered for maximum protection and a sleek aerodynamic look for your pickup. Built with heavy-duty materials, it shields your cargo from harsh weather while improving fuel efficiency on every drive. Easy to install and secure, it locks tightly for peace of mind whether you're on the highway or off-road adventures. Upgrade your truck today and experience durability, style, and performance combined in one premium tonneau cover built for real truck owners every single day. Now,
what if getting into your truck bed became effortless in just one step? Meet the Tommanic F150 Bedstep, a simple yet game-changing upgrade for pickup truck owners. Designed for quick and safe access to your truck bed, this smart step folds out easily when you need it and stays hidden when you don't. Built with strong, durable materials, it supports heavy weight while giving you stable footing in any condition. Whether you're loading gear, tools, or cargo, it saves time and reduces strain on your body. No more awkward climbing or slipping. The Tommanic Bedstep brings convenience, safety, and practicality together, making every job easier in 2026.
stop wasting space in your truck. This changes everything. Clearview Pantry is the ultimate storage upgrade for your truck or camper setup. Designed with smart slide-out compartments, it gives you quick access to essentials without digging through messy storage. Built tough with premium materials, it handles rough travel, off-road adventures, and daily use with ease. Whether you are on a long road trip or working on site, everything stays organized, secure, and within reach. The smooth sliding system makes loading and unloading effortless, saving you time and frustration. If you want durability, convenience, and professional-grade organization in one compact solution, Clearview Pantry is the upgrade your setup has been waiting. What if your pickup truck could look race-ready while adding real-world utility? Meet the Go Rhino Sport Bar 2.0, a bold pickup truck invention designed to deliver aggressive style and rugged functionality. Built with heavy-duty steel construction, this upgraded sport bar gives your truck a premium off-road appearance while providing extra support for mounting lights and accessories. Its sleek, modern design perfectly blends toughness with customization, instantly transforming the truck's rear profile into something far more powerful and eye-catching. Engineered for durability and easy installation, the Sport Bar 2.0 is made for truck owners who want performance-inspired looks without sacrificing practicality. This upgrade makes any pickup stand out instantly.
What if towing your trailer became safer, smarter, and perfectly balanced every time? Meet the Weigh Safe Adjustable Hitch, the ultimate towing upgrade for pickup truck owners. This intelligent hitch lets you easily adjust height for perfect trailer alignment, ensuring a smooth and controlled towing experience. Built with heavy-duty steel, it's engineered for maximum strength, durability, and long-lasting performance. What makes it stand out is the built-in scale that helps you monitor tongue weight in real time, reducing sway and improving road safety. Whether you're hauling equipment, boats, or trailers, this hitch gives you total confidence on the road. In 2026, smarter towing starts with Weigh Safe.
Stop struggling with heavy lifting. This is the game changer. Meet the Impact 2000 lifting stand, built for power, stability, and professional-grade performance. Designed for workshops and garages, it makes lifting safer, faster, and effortless every time. Its heavy-duty structure ensures maximum durability while handling demanding jobs with ease and confidence. Perfect for professionals who need reliable support during repairs, maintenance, and upgrades. Upgrade your workspace today and experience strength, safety, and efficiency in every lift. Built for serious users who demand performance, reliability, and long-term value in every project they handle. This is the upgrade your garage has been waiting for.
What if your truck bed could turn into a secure, weatherproof storage in seconds? Meet the Most Plus Tonneau cover, a must-have upgrade for every serious pickup owner. This durable cover instantly transforms your truck bed into a secure, weather-resistant storage space, Built with tough, high-quality materials, it protects your cargo from rain, dust, and theft while improving your truck's overall aerodynamics. The sleek design not only adds a clean, professional look, but also boosts fuel efficiency on long drives. Easy to install and simple to use, it's perfect for daily work or weekend adventures. If you want protection, style, and performance combined, Most Plus delivers it all in 2026.